Bullish Qtum, QTUM, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $12.42 and $23.47 by 2030. Market experts accept QTUM could reach $9.66 by 2025. Bearish Qtum market cost expectation for 2023 is $2.21. Qtum, QTUM, presentation. Qtum, QTUM is a cross-breed blockchain application stage. It overcomes any barrier among Bitcoin and Ethereum by joining their best highlights. Qtum utilizes the UTXO model of Bitcoin and the ERC20 token norm of Ethereum. This permits it to run savvy contracts and decentralized applications (dApps) while as yet handling high volumes of exchanges rapidly. The Qtum group is driven by Patrick Dai, a previous Alibaba chief, and Bruce Fenton, board overseer of the Bitcoin establishment. They have gathered a great group of consultants, including Roger Ver, Anthony Di Iorio, Zhu Star, Misthos Iono, Kevin Goffman, and Weiben Huo. The Qtum project has gotten help from a few major names in the crypto space. In WAC 2017, they raised $1 million from Finbushi Capital. In April 2017, they raised $4 million from Pioneer's asset angelist Fangel. Furthermore, in September 2017, they brought $15 million up in an ICO. What makes Qtum novel? The Qtum blockchain has two extraordinary advancements that expect to settle the four issues its organizers seen as most tricky in BTC and F blockchain stages: Record Deliberation Layer, AL, and Decentralized Administration Convention, DGP. The Record Reflection Layer, AL, considers more noteworthy interoperability between the Qtum blockchain and other blockchains and between savvy agreements and genuine applications. This is on the grounds that it successfully makes a span between various blockchains, considering simpler collaboration. Also, AL makes it conceivable to interface shrewd agreements with genuine applications, which has been hard to do up to this point. The Decentralized Administration Convention, DGP, resolves the issue of administration in blockchain stages. Under DGP, explicit boundaries of the Qtum blockchain can be altered by anybody who holds QTUM tokens, including things like as far as possible or block size. Significantly, these progressions are made through casting a ballot, guaranteeing that all partners have something to do with how the stage is run. Also, DGP assists with making the Qtum stage more adaptable, as changes can be made rapidly and effectively if necessary. Qtum value history: in May 2017, QTUM was first recorded on trades and was esteemed at $4.65. Until November of that year, the resource exchanged the $10-13 territory. Qtum broke over the $13 obstruction level on December 13 and rose to $62.7 in January 2018. Qtum's ascent compared with the organization's participation at Blockshow Asia in November. The QTUM coin was underestimated before this occurrence. From January to WAC 2018, the cost of Qtum kept on rising, arriving at a record-breaking high of $85.7 in February 2018. Be that as it may, the market before long adjusted, and the value tumbled to $4.3 by early September 2018. Qtum started to ascend in esteem in February 2021 and has remained somewhat stable from that point forward, with a couple of rectifications. Using the general strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination disparity, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Qtum, QTUM. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Qtum, QTUM, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Qtum, QTUM, value expectation 2023. Qtum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. QTUM. The QTUM cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $4.14. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $3.87 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later, given expected joint efforts and headways. QTUM is supposed to have a base worth of $3.31. Qtum, QTUM, value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Qtum QTUM cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of QTUM will before long outperform $6.90. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the QTUM's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, QTUM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $5.52 and a typical exchanging cost of $6.07. Qtum QTUM value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $9.66, and QTUM might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. QTUM is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $8.83 and a low of $8.28 in 2025. Qtum QTUM value expectation 2026. Assuming Qtum effectively helps market opinion among digital money lovers, the QTUM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, QTUM will be green in 2026. The QTUM is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $12.42 with a base cost of $11.04 and a typical cost of $11.60. Qtum QTUM value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the QTUM cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $14.36 by 2027, with a base cost of $13.80 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, QTUM has a greatest value worth of $15.18. Qtum QTUM value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $17.12. On the off chance that QTUM figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $17.94. Neglecting to accumulate the help QTUM needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $16.56. Qtum QTUM value expectation 2029. While QTUM is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $19.33 and a yearly cost close above $20.71 in 2029. Qtum QTUM value forecast 2030. By 2030, Qtum will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $22.09 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $23.47, averaging out at $22.64. Qtum QTUM value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken